Welcome to the first module of this week, and the name of this module is Email Marketing, Introduction and Significance. You will agree with me that email has become a very essential part of our life and is being widely used by individuals and business organizations. Email marketing is a very important domain of digital marketing. In this module, firstly I will discuss the basics of email marketing, and then I will discuss the significance of email marketing with the help of statistics. So under this module, you will specifically learn what's email marketing. I can say with surety that whosoever is using email services must have seen or received a promotional email from reputed brands right in their inbox. Not only the promotional mail, but sometimes you must have received a mail like order confirmation mail, reminder mail, announcement mail, product return confirmation mail, and so on. This is nothing but you are experiencing email marketing in one or another way. Therefore, email marketing is promotion of your product and services through email. Moreover, it's not limited to the promotion of product and services. It can also be used for building the relations with customers and to reach out to the potential customers. Further, email marketing helps the businesses to keep their customers informed about various events and transactions. Let's have a look at few statistics about email marketing to understand the opportunities and the significance of email marketing. Extensive use of email. The total number of email users in the year 2017 was 3.7 billion, and it's further projected to grow in the year 2020 to 4.3 billion users. It's clear that half of the world population is using email, and it is good opportunity to include email marketing in overall promotion portfolio. Large number of email sent on daily basis. Have you ever thought how many mails are being sent and received on daily basis throughout the world? The number is amazing. In the year 2017, 269 billion mails were sent and received on each day, and this number will grow further to 333 billion daily mails in 2020. There is no doubt that over a period of time, number of new ways of communication have emerged. However, email marketing is continuously growing and remains the popular choice of marketers. High return on investment. The question is always asked about return on investment in email marketing. You will be happy to know that according to DMA 2018, for every $1 you spent on email marketing, you may expect the return of $32, which seems to be very impressive. Driver of business growth. Customer acquisition and retention is the important element of customer management for all types of businesses. According to MSA, 81% of small businesses rely on email as their primary channel to acquire the customers. There is no doubt that social media platforms, organic search, paid search, etc. are playing a very significant role in overall marketing process. However, when it comes to the customer acquisition, email marketing tops the chart because of its direct reach and impact. Open rate of welcome mail is very high. To assess the success of any email marketing strategy, open rate is very vital metric that shows how frequently your customers are opening the mail. Have you ever thought how many people open the mail? Let us talk about these statistics. According to GetResponse 2017, the average open rate of email is 20.81%. You will be surprised to note that average open rate of welcome email is 82%. With such a high open rate of welcome emails, it offers good opportunities to collect and leverage the relevant information from the customers. personalization is the key to the email marketing. As previously mentioned, open rate of email marketing is 20.81%. However, personalized email can impact the open rate up to a great extent. According to Jess Lifecycle Marketing, email with personalized subject lines generates 50% more open rate. Therefore, email marketing will work with more success when personalized mails by including the name of the recipient in the mail will be sent. Abundant cart emails can do wonder for you. An abundant cart mail is a follow-up mail sent to someone who had items to the cart and left the site without making purchases. You might have noticed that sometimes customers browse the site extensively, put some items in the cart, and exit from the site without completing the checkout process. That may be detrimental to the business performance. A business can regain the lost customer by sending them abundant cart mails to them. According to OmniSend, by sending 3 abundant cart mails result in 69% more orders than a single mail. Interactive emails increase the engagement. We discussed the relevance of engagement in one of our previous modules in the beginning of this course. Email sent to prospect or customer creates engagement by offering more interactive content in the mails. Statistics shows that just adding video to the email can increase the click rate by 300%. Inserting sliders, GIFs, collapsible menu increase the interactivity of mails. Statistics shows that just adding video to the email can increase the click rate by 300%. Inserting slider, GIF, collapsible menus increase the interactivity of emails. Customers are eager to listen from brand. Do our customers really want to listen to us? Interesting statistics say yes. According to one report, 49% of customers said that they would like to receive the promotional mails from their favorite brands weekly. With this statistics, it's evident that your customers would like to listen from you, and you need not to worry of sending frequent mail to your customers. Mobile audience is accessible through emails. With the increased penetration of smartphones, marketers are always looking for ways to reach to the mobile users. There cannot be better way of reaching them out through emails, as according to IBM, 49% of emails are opened using mobile phones. So by looking at the statistics, it's very clear that email marketing always stood in the test of time. If you really want to acquire and develop the long-term relationship with your customer, then you cannot ignore the email marketing. So with these words, let us move to the next video.